Whoa, hold up. Did you know that some folks say AI can be more dangerous than nukes? Yeah, it's got people like Elon Musk giving us these warnings, even though he's got businesses that rely on AI. Talk about mixed signals. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's get back to basics and wrap our heads around what AI is all about. Trust me, we're in for an eye-opening journey. Let's take a trip down memory lane and explore our inventive side throughout history. Back in the day, our ancestors were getting their hands dirty, creating all sorts of amazing pottery. They shaped clay into cool vessels, containers, and even handy cooking utensils. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, and bam! Manufacturing got a serious upgrade. Suddenly, we could mass-produce those nifty items we made with clay. Today, things are still evolving. Vessels and utensils are getting even fancier, with innovative features like double-walled and vacuum-insulated containers that keep our drinks hot or cold for ages. But you know what? Not everyone is totally on board with all this machine progress. Some people have concerns about how fast things are moving. We're here to navigate through it all together. So let's explore the twists and turns of human ingenuity. Alright, brace yourself because AI is here to shake things up. But hey, don't let those science fiction movies give you nightmares about AI enslaving us or taking over the world. Take a chill pill because AI is nowhere near having that kind of power. It's just a bunch of cleverly designed systems created by us humans to do specific tasks and lend a helping hand in various processes. These AI machines follow strict algorithms and predefined rules without having a mind of their own or any wild desires. Get ready to dive into the world of AI. We've got an exciting lineup for you, including everything you need to know about AI, why it might not always deliver the perfect solutions, but hey, they'll be pretty good for most situations, and a sneak peek into the future of AI. So, stay tuned because we're about to embark on a mind-bending AI adventure. Computers have come a long way. Back in the day, those things were massive, room-sized monsters with vacuum tubes running the show. They were all about crunching numbers and serving the scientific and military crowds. Punch cards and tapes were their jam for doing calculations. But hold on to your seat because things escalated quickly. Computers evolved like crazy, diving headfirst into the world of the internet and graphics. And now, with machine learning and AI algorithms entering the scene, computers can do some mind-blowing stuff. They're learning, recognizing patterns, and even making intelligent decisions. It's like they've become the brainiacs of the tech world. We've come a long way and who knows where computers will take us next. The possibilities are endless. The question is, how do they do it? They are capable of doing that because of the secret sauce known as an algorithm. But, what exactly are algorithms anyway? Well, even if you can't spot them right away, they're all around us, working their behind-the-scenes wizardry. Think of algorithms as your trusty sidekick that helps break down tricky tasks into simple, step-by-step actions. It's like when you're whipping up a delicious chocolate mug cake. Just like you follow a recipe to create that heavenly treat, computers follow instructions in an algorithm to give us the results we're after. Pretty neat, right? So, next time you're enjoying the wonders of technology, remember, there's a friendly algorithm making it all happen behind the scenes. Let's take a trip back to the 1930s and 1940s when some real tech pioneers were laying down the foundations for what would become our beloved computers. We're talking about legends like Alan Turing and Conrad Zuse, who were absolute trailblazers. Turing, in particular, rocked the scene with his groundbreaking theory that set the stage for algorithms as we know them today. His work not only showed us what computing machines were capable of but also shed light on their limitations. It was a total game-changer and had a massive impact on the field of computer science. So, big props to these amazing minds for paving the way to the tech wonders we have today. Alright, let's get down to business and unravel the mystery of AI. So, what on earth is AI, you ask? Well, buckle up because AI stands for artificial intelligence, which means we're trying to make machines think and learn like us humans. Yep, you heard that right, our machines are getting brainy. And why do we do this? Well, AI helps computers perform better by enabling them to handle complex tasks and make informed decisions. It's like giving our computers a dose of genius juice. It's about to get seriously funny and seriously smart. The burning question, is AI really intelligent? Well, let me tell you a little secret, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Remember when you were curious about a random fact or wanted to learn about a specific topic? You'd search for information using Google, and it would provide you with articles, blog posts, and even videos that delved into the subject matter. Oh, and how about those moments when you're getting ready for an international adventure and need to convert currencies? Remember using those handy electronic currency converters? They were like little magic machines that would work their calculations in a flash. Within seconds, you'd have the accurate exchange rate right there, saving you from doing the math yourself and risking any mistakes. But hold up, does that mean you're way less intelligent than these digital wonders? Well, here's the scoop: Google and your currency converter may seem like geniuses, but they've got their limits too. Sure, they're great at crunching numbers and spewing out facts, but ask them about the meaning of life or how to navigate your way through a complicated relationship, and they'll be scratching their digital heads. AI is smart in a very specialized way. It's like having a super genius friend who knows everything about one particular subject, but when you ask them about the meaning of life or how to deal with your weird neighbor, they're stumped. So, while AI can be impressive in its own little domain, let's just say we humans still hold the crown when it comes to overall smarts. We've got quirks, emotions, and the ability to ponder life's big questions. So, fear not, AI may have its moments, but true intelligence? That's still our territory. While AI can provide useful and sometimes impressive outputs, it lacks self-awareness and the ability to make independent decisions. As smart as they may seem, they've still got nothing on your good old human wit and charm. When we create AI, we're not aiming to build artificial humans. Nope, that's not the goal here. The question is then whether machines can think. Well, can a blender run a marathon? Yep, you guessed it right. It can't. Machines don't have those thinking gears like we humans do. Machines might have their kind of intelligence, but truth be told, they're not quite on our level. So, let's appreciate the wonders of AI for what they are. Let's not get carried away and start thinking they're the next Einstein. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI algorithms, shall we? AI algorithms are like the brains behind artificial intelligence. They're sets of instructions that AI systems follow to make decisions and learn from data. These algorithms are designed to analyze information, identify patterns, and make predictions. They're what enable AI to do cool things like recognizing images, understanding language, and even playing games. It's like giving AI its own special recipe for solving problems and getting smarter over time. We're about to tackle the quirky world of computational limits in AI. Now, picture this: there's a hilarious battle going on between two complexities, algorithm complexity and problem complexity. Algorithm complexity is like watching a gymnast performing a routine that gets harder as the stage gets bigger. It's about how well a specific algorithm handles bigger and more challenging problems. On the other side, problem complexity is all about how darn difficult a problem itself is to solve. Think of it as trying to solve an incredibly mind-boggling puzzle that even the smartest AI, armed with the best algorithms, would scratch its virtual head over in confusion. These problems are so outrageously tough that not even a super-fast computer from the future could handle them. It would just give up and say, "I can't handle this madness." So, in a nutshell, there are some problems out there that are simply too tough for even the most brilliant algorithms to crack. It's like trying to teach a goldfish to do calculus; it's just not gonna happen. AI algorithms are like superpowered helpers, no doubt about it. But here's the thing, they're not invincible. Even these mighty algorithms can stumble upon a few hiccups in real-life situations. Take image recognition, for instance. Sometimes, these algorithms might get a little confused and misclassify objects. Imagine a cat being labeled as a dog, or an object getting a wrong name tag. It's like mistaking your favorite pizza joint for a taco stand. Oops. These blunders can happen when the algorithm encounters tricky angles, tricky lighting, or objects that just look way too similar. It's a bit like trying to spot the difference between identical twins; it can get a tad tricky. So, while our AI pals are incredible, let's not forget that they're not flawless. They're doing their best, but hey, nobody's perfect, right? Alright, let's unveil the truth about AI solutions. Do they always hit the bullseye? Are they always perfect? Ever wondered how ChatGPT seems to have an answer for almost everything? It's like having a genius friend on speed dial. But here's the plot twist: those answers aren't always perfect. Nope, ChatGPT doesn't whip out perfect and flawless responses every single time. So, next time you're tempted to copy-paste your assignment straight from ChatGPT, think twice. It's time to channel your inner researcher and dive into the depths of knowledge. Even ChatGPT itself admits it, those clever responses it conjures up are based on patterns learned from vast amounts of text, but they might not always be the latest or most accurate information. That's why it's crucial to fact-check and verify information from reliable sources when you're relying on AI-generated responses. Sometimes, it might misfire, misjudge, or even go down the wrong path entirely. It's like watching a breathtaking acrobat perform mind-blowing stunts, only to slip on a banana peel and tumble down. So, while AI solutions are super cool and can work wonders, let's remember that they're not infallible. The million-dollar question arises: how in the world does AI manage to tackle complex problems and find good solutions, even if they're not perfect? Well, it's all thanks to these nifty little things called heuristics. Think of heuristics as clever tricks that AI uses to simplify those tricky problems. They're like secret codes that help AI crack the complexity puzzle. In the AI world, heuristics come to the rescue by enhancing the performance of algorithms and models. They speed things up and make the whole process more efficient. So, while we might not always get the absolute perfect solution, we can still rely on AI's bag of tricks to bring us closer to a really good one. It's like hitting the bullseye, even if the target isn't perfectly clear. Now, the age-old question that keeps us up at night: can AI outsmart us and become super intelligent? I know it's been bugging you. Well, it is a topic of speculation and debate within the field of AI and among experts. Some individuals argue that, in theory, AI could reach a mind-boggling state of superintelligence, surpassing human smarts in every way. But the timeline for achieving this mind-blowing feat is about as uncertain as predicting which sock will go missing in the laundry. It could happen soon, in a few decades, or, let's be real, maybe never. Now, let's dig into some fancy AI lingo. We've got strong AI coined by John Searle, which aims to mimic the human brain to perfection. But hey, we've also got weak AI, which may sound, well, weak, but in reality, it's anything but. Just look at virtual assistants like Alexa or Siri, or the mind-blowing personalized recommendations served up by Netflix. But wait, there's more. Strong AI can be further divided into general AI and artificial consciousness. General AI is like the Holy Grail, a machine with intelligence matching humans in every way. It's got reasoning skills, can learn like a pro, and tackle any intellectual task. Oh, and let's not forget consciousness, self-awareness, and the ability to excel in multiple domains. But hold your horses. Strong AI, especially with all these extraordinary qualities, is still a hypothetical concept, far from becoming a reality. Let's address the elephant in the room: AI enslaving humanity like those sci-fi flicks we love. Here's the deal: it hinges on the nature of work. Take judges, for instance. Their decisions require complex interpretations of laws, ethics, and morals. AI lacks the moral compass, empathy, and value-based judgments that humans bring to the table. Roles like caregivers, nurses, and therapists demand human touch, compassion, and adaptability in providing personalized care. But AI can still flex its muscles in other areas like data entry or basic customer support, reducing the need for human labor. Now, on to the juicy stuff: AI misuse. Recently, AI-powered deepfakes are causing quite a stir. These sneaky manipulations create fake videos or images that look scarily real. They've been misused to spread misinformation, defame innocent people, and even put them in compromising situations. Privacy invasion is another concern, with AI systems gobbling up personal data without consent or using it for undisclosed purposes. It's like AI turned into a mischievous prankster, wreaking havoc. But amidst all this AI mayhem, there's a silver lining. AI has helped us humans understand ourselves better. It's like having a personal data analyst on steroids. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, revealing insights into our behaviors, preferences, and tendencies. Wearable devices track our vital signs, helping us grasp our health and well-being. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide mental health support, offering advice, resources, and tools for managing stress and anxiety. They're like our digital cheerleaders, boosting our mental well-being. But remember, AI is just a tool. It complements and enhances our self-awareness journey, but it can never replace personal reflection, human connections, and professional guidance. So, let's embrace AI magic while cherishing our own experiences and relationships. It's a wild ride, and AI is just one piece of the puzzle in our quest for self-understanding. In the big showdown of machines and AI, let's face the truth, they're not as smart as we often think. These inventions of ours can only do what we've programmed them to do. So, we shouldn't hand them all the power just yet. Relying too much on AI without human oversight can make us lose important skills and abilities. It's like trading our superpowers for a fancy gadget, we might miss out on crucial things. Can we create a conscious machine? Well, the truth is, it's not something we'll see anytime soon. Creating a machine with true consciousness is like chasing a magical rainbow-colored unicorn. It's a fantastic idea that's still far beyond our reach. However, when AI falls into the wrong hands, things can get seriously risky. We're talking about a world where misuse has consequences scarier than a clown juggling chainsaws. So, in this epic finale, we're reminded that AI, while impressive, has its limits. Relying too much on it can lead us astray, and the dream of conscious machines remains a distant one. But we must also be aware of the potential dangers lurking when AI is mishandled. It's an exciting adventure where we must handle our creations with care and keep control firmly in human hands. We love taking you on this incredible journey through the captivating world of AI. But guess what? The adventure doesn't have to end here. If you're hungry for more mind-blowing videos just like this one, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give that like button a friendly tap, and oh, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest updates and thrilling content that's sure to keep you on the edge of your seat.